In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your chart view effortlessly to include all the action and data you want to see. This is an essential skill for anyone utilizing charts and analysis, ensuring you're always viewing the full scope of your data. Let's dive right in. When you're examining a chart, it's common for the display to get cluttered or for certain parts of your data to drift out of view. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to tackle this. First, you want to direct your attention to your chart itself. Once there, go ahead and perform a right-click on the chart's surface. What you'll see is a pop-up window appearing on your screen with several options. Now, at the very top of this pop-up window, there's a button that says Reset Chart View. What this magical button does is precisely its name. It resets the view of your chart. So go ahead and click on it. Instantly, your chart will adjust itself to include all of the price action and any indicator plots you have on it. This functionality is incredibly useful because it provides a clear and complete view of what's happening without any manual adjustments. However, there's just one more thing to be mindful of. If you notice that your indicators create plots that stretch far above or below your price action, what's going to happen is that the chart will automatically squeeze down to accommodate everything in the view. This squeezing effect makes sure nothing is out of the frame, but can sometimes make the chart look a bit compacted or compressed. To address this, what you need to do next is focus on the vertical scale located on the right side of your chart. This scale is completely interactive, allowing you to click and drag it to readjust how the data is displayed. By using this vertical scale, you can expand or compress the chart to better fit your screen and preferences. It's a quick and simple way to make sure that your data is presented just how you like it, ensuring clarity and ease of analysis. So, there you have it. With these simple adjustments, your chart will be neatly reset to give you a full picture of your data's movements. Whether you're conducting a quick review or an in-depth analysis, you'll always have all the details in focus when you need them. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your chart views effectively.